Hey guys, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is some happy mail that I received from Crafting with Fury. What have you done? She sent me some happy mail. I'm not sure if this is Christmas mail, birthday mail, what? Thank you mail, a rack. I am not sure, but I'm so excited to see what's in here. Thank you so much, Diane. I cannot wait to dig into this. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, I see something. Let me put it to the side. So I will take this stuff out. Oh my god, this is cool. Oh my goodness, girl, what have you done? You did not need to do this, but very appreciative. What's in here? Oh my god, oh my god. What is this? Oh no, you did not. You guys, look at this. What is this? Heavy. Oh my goodness, Diane. Look what she gifted me. Okay, she has gifted me this before, and she gave me the entire line of Rock Bottom Soap Company. This company is from her home state of Kentucky, and it smells so good, you guys. I love it. Oh my god, it smells good. It smells like fresh, clean. I just love it. Oh my goodness, Diane! Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look, and I need some of this. I was gifted one by Amy and I am using it like crazy. Thank you so much for this. I gotta smell this. Oh my goodness, Diane, I'm gonna open it. This is amazing. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I took some of it off. It smells good, you guys. It smells so good. And then she gifted me I think this one's chocolate. Bourbon. I thought I read chocolate. Where did I read chocolate? Cotton candy and bourbon. Wonder how this one smells. I'm gonna keep that close just in case my son wants to try it. It smells so good, you guys. Diane, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. My goodness. You made my day. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you gifted me this. And I can't wait to try the new products that you sent. This one right here, and this one, and these I haven't tried. So, I love these already. And all the other stuff that she has gifted me on this line. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Diane. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate this. Thank you so much. I'm gonna text you, so I'm gonna text you and tell you thank you so much. I appreciate you. You guys go check her out. She's such a nice, down-to-earth person, and I'm sure you guys will love her. She is so funny as well, and wow, she's just such a very good crafty friend. I love it. Love this. Thank you so much, Diane. I appreciate you so much. You guys check her out. She will be linked below and on the icon above. And I can't wait to come back with some Valentine's goodies. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.